Hi everyone, it's me Jojo, and today's video is going to be a bit different because it combines a bit of my atmospheric stuff I do for Journal, which is my lifestyle website. It's JHOURNAL if you guys wanted to find vegan recipes and travel diaries and all kinds of amazing beauty blogs, that's all there. But I do these kind of atmospheric videos where I film things on my travels and during my work trips and all kinds of stuff like that. And this year, as you guys know, I have been really focused on my career because I've got my eyesight back, I've been enjoying life, and it's just been really important for me to get back inspired. And part of my inspiration journey is to go to different creative places or things like natural places. So in this video, I'm sharing with you some exhibitions that I went to, including the Jenny Savile exhibition. I also went to the Natural History Museum because I'm a huge fan of everything to do with the natural world. Some Sea Life Centre moments. I show you this beautiful prairie garden where it's so lovely and I got so much inspiration going there. Also some of the exhibitions, like when I went to Christie's for Vivienne Westwood's personal, they were auctioning her clothing, so it was her own collection, and I'm a Vivienne Westwood super fan, as many of you guys know. I was really excited to see all the cuts up close and I captured every detail because I thought she's burnt her archive, there we go. I need to capture this while it's still here. And then finally there was this gorgeous Blitz Kids exhibition, and Sue Tilley, who's in my interview series on Journal, she was friends with Lee Bowery, and I went to the Lee Bowery exhibition, and that's all my jam, so please enjoy.